Habarigani tribe. So today I have Demi and Dior. Hello. And we just finished the hike of the Lookout Trail. We're currently at Shirley's Heights. So I know that we look super cute, but I assure you, this trail was hell. Like, I don't know why they call it the Lookout Trail. Like, it's the lookout from hell. Like, it's very tumultuous. It has lots of levels. It's an incline for about 30 to 45 minutes. What I will say is that they slowed down when I needed to breathe. They allowed me to take all of the pictures that I wanted to take. And now let's get at this beautiful view. So where are we going next?
Well, we're now headed to Mermaid Gardens and then Pillars of Hercules.
Okay, so... Oh my god, another 30 minutes!
30 minutes downhill.
Okay, so 30 minutes downhill.
It's not bad.
That's what they said, but let me tell you, I don't think I can keep up. I think I was taking turns, like you were ahead, then she was ahead. But either way, I was always in the back. But stay tuned, we're headed down, and I promise you that I will grab you guys the best clips ever. And so the journey begins again. You get to make your way down, you can see Shirley Heights ruins and learn a bit of its history. You also run into these annoying thorns everywhere. And although they may look beautiful or interesting, they are absolutely agonizing. Let me be completely honest, I feel like going downhill was a lot harder than going uphill. I feel like I had less grip. I feel like I was just fearful of the whole process. But being able to take a moment and pause and see exactly how far I've come, I was so proud that no part of me could give up. Okay, so ironically, one of the wettest places here, the ocean, also has several cactuses at the top. So within these cactuses, they have small fruits. Fruits that they say are very similar to the dragon fruit. They look like this, and so I'm going to give it a try. So this is how it looks on the inside. It actually does look very much like a dragon fruit. It's very tangy, it's kind of sweet. Maybe it isn't in season and maybe that's why it isn't ripe. This is actually kind of cool. Fun fact, there are many cactus that do bear fruit. The cactus in Mexico bear fruit called tunas. It looks very much like a kiwi. It even has the seeds inside, but it tastes more similar to like a pear and a watermelon if they had a baby. Both of these fruits are packed full of so much water, which probably makes it essential if you're lost in the desert. I officially have a new survival technique, and I am certain that I won't starve if I'm ever lost in the desert.